By the time you are watching this video and you don't have any property in your name, there is high chances that you are going to regret it in the future. Not because you don't have money, but because you fail to make life-changing decision earlier. If you have seen me for the first time, I am the billionaire realtor. I provide verified, safe and genuine properties with proper documentation. I save you from making costlier mistakes in real estate. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. So today we are going to look at 5 reasons why people don't invest in real estate every year. The number one reason why people fail to invest in real estate every year, even though they have the money to invest in real estate, is delayed gratification. When you buy a car, you get your document, you pay immediately, you are going to drive it home. When you come back home, everybody is going to celebrate you, your family, your friends, your relatives, your neighbor, even those that don't know you. They will see you as a rich man. You have created that perception, somebody that is valuable, right? So you receive that happiness, that instant gratification from everybody around and within you. But when you buy land, especially from a real estate company, you are going to walk home with only a payment receipt. You have to wait for some days, weeks, sometimes months before you get your documents and get allocated. But when you buy this land, nobody knows except you inform them. Nobody sees it. Nobody sees your investment. When you walk home, you are not going home with your land. The land is still going to remain at that exact point. Guess what? Real estate rewards patience, and that is why so many people avoid it. The second reason why people fail to invest in real estate, even though they have the money, is procrastination. I have given so many people an opportunity to get land at an affordable price. Guess what? Some of them took the advantage, while some will inform me, I will buy today, I will buy tomorrow, I will buy next week, I will buy next month, I will buy next year. Before you know it, the price has increased. So procrastination is an enemy of man, it's an enemy of success, it's an enemy of investment. It is better you make your due diligence and take decision so that you save costs in the future, right? Because buying the future is expensive. Buy it now because it is less expensive and affordable. The third reason why people fail to invest in real estate every year, even though they have the money to buy land, is because they focus more on family problem without considering the future, without planning for the future. Yes, don't neglect your family. It is very important you pay attention to your family. However, family problem no dey finish. Some of us, we have been using our money to be solving family problem, responsibilities, pressure, paying school fees, taking care of everybody in our family without planning for the future. Real estate is not neglecting or against your family. In fact, real estate will also help you to improve the well-being of your family, right? Because when you invest in real estate, you protect them against security, you give them freedom. So stop spending all your money on family problem. Invest in real estate. It gives security, freedom and wealth. The fourth reason why people don't invest in real estate every year, even though they have the money to invest, is because they are waiting for the perfect time to make the right decision to invest in real estate. There is no perfect time to invest in real estate. Every time is the perfect time to buy land, to buy that house, right? So some people are waiting to be 100% ready before they take the action. No, you don't have to be 100% ready. You don't have to be 100% ready. And some of you don't know that you don't have to have all the money before you invest in real estate. That is why there is a payment plan option where you can make an initial deposit with real estate company, right? With my company, we give you payment plan. You make an initial deposit and spread the balance in 6 months, in 3 months, in 1 year, in 18 months, right? So when you do that, it helps you to secure your investment, to buy that land, to buy that house. There is no perfect time to buy land. Every time is the right time to buy that land, to make that investment, right? So take advantage of payment plan. It takes out that pressure from you of waiting to make sure that everything is ready so that you can pay everything at once. Take it step by step, right? We give you flexible payment plan. The fifth reason why people fail to invest in real estate every year, even though they have the money to invest, is lack of knowledge. Yes, most people don't have idea about how real estate investment work, but they want to buy land, they want to buy that house, but they don't know the right document to ask. They don't know how to verify this document, they don't know how to verify land, they don't know if this real estate company is genuine, they don't know if this individual is genuine, right? They don't want to make that mistake, and this is what is holding them back from investing in real estate, keeping them from getting security, getting freedom, securing their wealth in the future. So that is why you need a real estate consultant. If you don't have the knowledge, you can employ a real estate consultant, get a lawyer, get a surveyor, so that they can help you do the necessary due diligence. I myself, as a real estate consultant, I have helped so many people, both those that are in abroad and those that are in Nigeria, invest in strategic locations with my team, with my lawyer, and even with my surveyor. Right? We make sure that these documents are genuine. We are buying from the right source, the genuine owner of the land. So it is not your fault that you don't have the knowledge. However, it is your fault if you don't invest in real estate. It is better you employ those professionals, real estate consultants like me, lawyer, and then a surveyor, so that they can help you do all the necessary checks and invest in real estate. So these are the 5 reasons why people fail to invest in real estate every year, even though they have the money. So I made this video so that you avoid these mistakes. Do you understand? So real estate is a very profitable business if you know how to do it, and if you don't know how to do it, that is why you employ a professional, a real estate consultant like me. So if you want to buy real estate, if you want to invest in real estate, or you want to expand your investment portfolio, whether you want to invest in Delta State, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Enugu State, and many other locations, I am the best real estate consultant that will guide you to make the best profitable real estate investment in 2026. So send me a DM so that we can talk more about your investment portfolio. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and educative videos like this. I am the Billionaire Rator. See you in my next video.